Hi, I'm Apurva Sahani. I'm doing internship from Collabgenics as an equity associate role. In this internship, I have learned a lot about company analysis, how we read financial statements of the company, and how we analyze them, like their growth prospects, their compounded sales growth, compounded profit growth, and various ratio analysis like their return on equity, return on capital employed, and return on assets. And accordingly, we get to know how well the company is doing according to their financial statements, and how they are doing well as compared to other companies in the same industry. We do comparative analysis, in which we compare the one particular company on the basis of their market capitalization and on the basis of their stock price, PE ratio. If the PE ratio is below 25, then the company is undervalued, and if the PE ratio is above 25, then the company is overvalued. So in this way, we analyze the company and compare them into the other companies in the same industries. Thank you.